do you? Yeah, I'm happy to on that. So what was it like being a her? I don't want to tell about it. Okay, well, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Aw, I lost.
Looks like I got a streak going.
Can I join you guys?
Sure, you know how to play?
Not yet.
That's
fine.
lame.
Say B. Marker. Just throw a hand of rock, paper, or scissors, and whoever silently farts the most air out while playing wins the game.
I don't think that sounds right.
Oh, come on, Marker. Let's just play.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Marker, did you just point your finger out? That's an illegal move. Let's redo.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Now you play the house? No good.
Rock,
paper, scissors. Dodeka, dang it. Don't tell me you played the Hekatonai Kosahedroid.
Rock,
paper, scissors.
Marker.
Huh? Oh no.
Don't tell me.
Marker, you just played.
Don't you dare tell me.
You played 4.
Whoa! Oh my hardness!
Let's do break and play.
Sure, I was supposed to be the one who says that. Yeah, but you know what else it is? The floor works. So what? Whatever, I'm starting to take a stick right now.
I am next level mad.
Team Random, you guys had the worst present out of every other team, so that's why we are here. We got 5 votes, which is a new record. Who's yours? Anyways, no more speak box. There's 0 votes, and the prizes today are ice cream tape. Phew, thank goodness. The other speaker box are safe. VSHY and tape are the last snake with 0 votes. First to do that, least a vote. What did I even do? This can't be. Not to worry, Snare Jump. You're safe with 1 vote. Fanny and Cheese Orb, you two are in the bottom 2 for a reason. Fanny, you always say H word and you cause your team to lose. I can't help it. Cheese Orb, you're not an object, which is why you're here. What is wrong with not being an object? The results are... Cheese Orb, you're safe with 1 vote. And Fanny is eliminated with 3 votes. Ah! Well, Fanny, this is what you get for causing us to lose. So what? At least I don't have to deal with you guys anymore. I really don't. Okay, final 117. The next challenge is it's the 4th episode. I should be hosting. No, it's the Playhouse, or I'll zap you. I'm gonna use that. Fine, let the other 116 people decide. Guys, did Big Force force to host the episode for today? That's it. Fine, and 4, let me take your place for today. Thank goodness 2 wasn't like this one, it was the 2nd episode. Thank you.
Today's episode is very special.
What is that?
It's the 4th episode.
Make over me. In a drawing, or a sculpture, or however you like. You have 15 minutes.
Okay, guys, any way we can make over. Great teardrop. Turn it in. Well done, team friends. Marker, use whatever you have under your cap. Use it to draw more. Okay. Nice going, Team Boy. Why isn't my team doing well? Why on earth is that? We made X into you. I tried to stop too, but he wouldn't listen. I won't. Nobody blows over an X. Hey, 4, look at ours. Oh my god, I really love this. Look at ours, it's made of snow. That's pretty good. Nice. Don't tell me you are not using fork. Donut, tell me you are not using fork again. I am. Donut, why do you always try to use fork? Look, I want to do this and that's why. You don't have to go like that all the time, Donut. Just forget it. Something tells me that Donut needs a long time. Hey, 4, look at our cake. Nice cake over there, Team B. I wonder how you made it.
Oh, I'm sorry, David, master of baking. Sorry our cake doesn't meet your health codes.
That is so gross. How can you have a cake without sprinkles?
I tried that cake before, so, wait, I meant to put, ignore that word so I guess you'll see. Hey, 4, you got our 4. It was all weird, pretty good, you're saying. Really, I'm just all you can think of. Fine, I guess it's fine. Only one. There's only 3 6. Don't worry, I have a robot 4. How is a robot 4 gonna work? It's right. Nice 4 over there, Team free food and sour times that. Let's take a. This was supposed to be a look. Let's take a look at them. No. Just fries, that's all you're fit drink on. I know it's the best one yet, right, God? No, this has to be the best one yet. I have that! Keanu Reeves! Team Slap, one of you is going away. Oh my god, Johnny, you caused the team to lose. You just looked up because you want me to be eliminated. Finally, in the comments by the Carolinas, Scorpions, and the Queen deserves to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes goes home. Only runs on July 30. So, 4th, do you want to move?